Within the InterSystems Cloud Services Portal, you can easily oversee deployments, manage users, access billing information, and control various settings for your cloud services. This video will guide you through all of these essential functions. To get started, you'll need to register for an account. Navigate to the registration page by clicking the Sign Up link on the login screen. Here, you'll enter some basic details like your email address and name. Once you've submitted your information, you will receive a confirmation email. Click the link in the email to verify your account and complete the registration process. After that, you can log in using the credentials you created. On the right side of the interface, click your username and then Account. This leads to the Account Settings page, which gives you control over your account security. Here, you can edit your account details, such as first and last name, and change your password if needed. On this page, you can also enable multi-factor authentication, which is highly recommended for all users. To do this, scan the QR code using your Authenticator app, such as Microsoft Authenticator. Enter the one-time code shown on your app, then click Enable MFA. This will enable your Cloud Services Portal account with multi-factor authentication. The next time you log in, you will be prompted to enter the MFA Authenticator code shown in your Authenticator app. Within the Cloud Services Portal, the main menu on the left side of the screen provides access to key areas of the portal. The Services page is your central dashboard for all active subscriptions. Here you can see all services available for subscription and manage your active subscriptions or trials. Deployments are individual instances of InterSystems Cloud Services existing on a given tenant. Each of your active deployments is listed on the Deployments page. You can click any deployment to manage and configure it. Within an individual deployment, several pages are in the main menu. The List page brings you back to your list of deployments, and the Overview page provides high-level details about the deployment you are currently viewing. These details include basic information about your deployment, such as its size and region. You can also see interoperability details that are used when integrating your deployment with other systems or services. The list of pages within your deployment will depend on which product you are using. In this example, the pages shown apply to Health Connect Cloud. When working in a deployed cloud service, you will spend most of your time on these pages. For some services, you will need the SSL TLS configuration page to set up secure connections. The Firewall page allows you to set up firewall rules that restrict access to your deployment to certain IP addresses. Private firewall rules control inbound communication that happens within your virtual private network, or VPN. For instance, receiving messages from another application in your organization's network. External firewall rules control inbound communication from outside your VPN, such as messages from external vendors. External connections must be enabled on your deployment to allow this type of communication. On the Files page within a deployment, you can manage the files associated with your deployment by uploading files such as certificates or keys. Zooming out from the deployment level to the tenant level, you can manage users and permissions on the Tenants page. After clicking the Edit button for a given tenant, administrators can invite new users to that tenant and assign specific roles. For example, if you're managing a cloud environment for your organization, you can grant different levels of access to different users, ensuring that each user has the right permissions for their role. Adding users is simple. Just click Invite Members, enter their email address, and assign the appropriate role. The user will receive an invitation to the portal with access to the defined tenant. The Billing page, also located within the Tenants section of the menu, provides an overview of your current subscription, usage costs, and billing history. This page will vary based on the services you are using, and not all services provide the same tracking of billing information. If you ever need assistance, the Help button is always within reach at the bottom right corner of the screen. This button connects you to in-app support options, where you can access helpful articles and learning materials, contact customer support via iService, browse frequently asked questions, or interact with the InterSystems community. The InterSystems Cloud Services Portal provides a simple, user-friendly interface to manage all aspects of your cloud services, whether you need to monitor deployments, manage users, or track billing. Be sure to explore the portal's features and make use of the in-app help to get the most out of your cloud experience.